Hey guys, this is SJ and welcome to my YouTube channel SJ Tech Vlogs. So today we will be talking about the all new iPhone set to launch on 10th September at the Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino. Like the past 2 years, in 2019 too, Apple is expected to launch 3 iPhones, namely the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The specs and price of the upcoming iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max have been leaked. As the name suggests, the iPhone 11 Pro Max is the high-end iPhones among all the three. The leak suggests that the iPhone 11 Pro Max will come with a much bigger screen, more cameras, bigger battery when compared to the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. Let's take a quick look at the specs and price of all three iPhones. The iPhone 11 will come with 6.1-inch LCD display with 1792 x 829 pixels and with 326 pixels per inch. The leak further suggests that the iPhone 11 will come with Face ID support and will be powered by the all-new A13 chipset paired with up to 4GB RAM and up to 512GB of storage. The iPhone 11 is expected to come in 3 storage variants, 64GB, 256 and 512GB. Similar to the previous generation iPhones, the iPhone 11 is also said to come with glass design. On the camera front, the iPhone 11 is all expected to sport dual cameras on the rear panel, which will be 20 megapixels both. On the front, the iPhone 11 will come with 12 megapixel selfie shooter. This iPhone is said to come with 3110 mAh battery with a bilateral wireless charging support. The iPhone 11 will come with Wi-Fi 6 support. Coming to the iPhone 11 price, the leak suggests that the iPhone 11 will start at $749. That roughly translates to Rs 53,800. The price is set to the base model. Coming to the iPhone 11 Pro specs and price, the leak suggests that the iPhone 11 Pro will come with a 5.8-inch OLED display with 2436 x 1125 pixels and screen resolution at 458 pixels per inch. The leak further suggests that the iPhone 11 Pro will come with Face ID support and will be powered by the same A13 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. The iPhone 11 Pro is expected to launch in 3 storage versions, 128GB, 256 and 512GB. The iPhone 11 Pro is all set to come with frost glass design. On the camera front, the iPhone 11 Pro is expected to sport triple cameras on the rear panel, which will be 3 12 megapixel shooters. On the front, the iPhone 11 Pro will come with 12 megapixel shooter and battery of capacity up to 3190 mAh battery. Coming to the iPhone 11 Pro price, the leak suggests that it will be priced aggressively at $999. That roughly translates to 71,000 rupees. At last, talking about the iPhone 11 Pro Max, phone will come with 6.5-inch OLED display with 2688 x 1242 pixels with screen resolution at 458 pixels per inch. It will come with the same Face ID support and A13 chipset paired with up to 6GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is expected to come in 3 storage versions, just as the iPhone 11 Pro. Similar to the iPhone 11 Pro, the Pro Max will come with 3 triple cameras on the back, which will be 12 megapixels, and on the front, the same 12 megapixel selfie shooter, but here the battery capacity is much more than the others, which is 3500 mAh. Coming to the iPhone 11 Pro Max price, the leak suggests that the phone will start at $1,099. That roughly translates to 7,800-900 rupees. The price is for base model. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe my video.